So hello, I wanted to bring you up to date on a couple of things that are going on. First of all, the Bears Den newsletter for the month of September, that's the quarterly newsletter, will be coming out, and it'll feature a couple of events that have occurred over the last quarter, one being the Columbus Pipe Show, a review of that, as well as the pipe event that's happening this weekend, the 26th in Hubbard, Ohio at the Cigarro Lounge, where Dan Reese and I from Ohio Briar will be there sampling Emerson Southern Forge tobaccos and displaying some pipes and just helping guys become acquainted with some of Jim Steffi's new blends. With the newsletter, we'll be awarding this olive billiard. Every quarter we do a pipe giveaway, and this is a pipe that I made. Nice satiny blast on this. So if you're interested in being entered in a chance to win this pipe, then go to my website at www.pbhbp.com and subscribe. The link to the website is in the description below. Second, Jim Steffi and I are doing a weekly podcast. We call it Pipe and Tobacco Talk. And if you haven't had a chance to get on and listen to it, please do so. You can find a link also to that in the description below. That podcast is available on Spotify and Apple, and then also on the YouTube, where you'll be able to see audio and listen to the video. I'm sorry, video and audio. So anyway, those are the two things I wanted to tell you about. Hope everybody's well, and look forward to your comments and questions in relation to the podcast. Best to all. Have a good day.